Greetings, this is Earthman, earthmansoil.com. God bless you. And as always, I hope you're doing awesome. And this is part 2 of making your own earth, or what I, garden soil. And so what I have in there now is compost, my own compost. And I did do a video or two on my compost that I'm using, that I inoculated it and a couple of different times and turned it in and stuff. So it's good, rich, living compost from last year's yard waste and stuff. And then on top of that, I have some of our wonderful product, Rovana, which is an inoculated IMO3 with a whole bunch of different beneficial microbes and biostimulants to boot. On top of that, I have some different nutrients. I have some azomite and kelp meal and alfalfa meal. And all three of those are wonderful in themselves, and they also each one have trace minerals, which will cover the full brand or full spectrum of all the nutrients that plant's going to need as it gets older and through the different stages of growth. Also, I have some fish meal in there, some triple phosphate, just a little bit of that, and Epsom salt. I do have some of that in there too. So I got a lot of different stuff, okay? And oyster shell flour, very important. Oyster shell flour to control the pH. That way you don't want acidic soil, and peat moss will make your soil acidic. So get some oyster shell flour in there too. So oyster shell flour, fish meal, azomite, kelp meal, alfalfa meal, our Rovana product, and inoculated and charged biochar. And then there's one secret ingredient in there that I'm not telling you, that I will introduce down the road as I continue testing it. But like I said, here at Earthman Soil, we are cutting edge, my friends, and that's because of God's wisdom. That's it. All I do is just listen, and he just shows me stuff, but that's pretty much it. May God bless you, and I'll do another video on part 3.